Good morning, students. Today we will discuss importance of money. Mudra ka mahatma in first reading is in end of all difficulties of barter system. Money difficulties of the barter system, such as difficulties of coincidence of mutual needs and difficulties of the collection of money, came to an end due to the money. Now there used to be difficulty because of money. The exchange function take place conveniently. The money being universally accepted fulfill the needs of the man through the medium of exchange. So we can say that money remove all difficulties of the barter system. Difficulties regarding barter. Number one is coincidence of double person, distribution of goods, transfer of value. Number four is store of wealth. These difficulties is removed by the money. Number two point is mobility of capital. Capital can be kept in liquid form as money. All goods and services can be obtained in exchange of money. Money can be invested as capital in any advantageous work and can be invested at any time, at any place. Means mobility of capital means we can transfer of money from one place to another place, by which we can get money in cash form, in liquid form. We can pay any amount for any service. We can start business at any place. We can do any work in any places. Number three is production of large scale. Production of large scale means बड़े पैमाने पर उत्पादन करना. The money has encouraged the large scale production by providing facilities such as formation of capital, distribution of labor, purchase of raw material. Means formation of capital. By money we can formate the capital, we can increase the capital, we can raise the capital from any resources. Number two is distribution of labor. We can divide the labor category in their work, some other work in their capability. Purchase of raw material, we can purchase material from the market by money. And sale of the goods, sale of goods to any places. We can sell the goods in our country as well as other country. We can do import and export work by the production of large scale. Next one is number four, economic prosperity. Economic prosperity means there is an old saying, money earns money. Means पैसे से ही आप पैसा कमा सकते हो. whenever has money become more rich by doing business, by doing other work, no work is possible without money. मीन्स अगर आपके पास पैसा नहीं है तो आप कोई काम नहीं कर पाओगे. जिस पर्सन के पास मनी होता है तो मनी से ही ज़्यादा पैसा कमा सकता है. इसलिए हम देखते हैं कि जो रिच पर्सन है उनके पास पैसा ज़्यादा होता है तो वो और रिच होते चले जा रहे हैं, उनकी मार्केट और अच्छी बनती चली जा रही है. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन से दैट ऑल these factors are improve the importance of the money. Money is very essential for our country, for our country development and economic development also. So I hope ki this video is very beneficial for importance of money, and we will give you next video in next class. Thank you.